Getting the dream life that you want. So you want to achieve and get the dream life that you want? Well, you could if you really wanted to. Pursue it. Claim it. That it is yours, fully yours. Use the law of attraction or maybe visualization techniques. Could work. Alam mo na yun. Use your imagination para, okay, want more? Well then, dig deep. And put more heart to it. Yes, your heart. Okay, so, getting the dream life that you want. Pursue it. Pangarapin mo na. Nang pangarapin. Oo, okay, so. Pangarap, yes, mahirap bang to pa rin? Sa una lang yon kasi pinaghihirapan. Oo, totoo, okay, so. Getting and pursuing the dream life that you've wanted. Yes, it is yours, all yours. No one could ever take that away from you. Okay, so. Getting the dream life that you want. Mangarap ka na ng mangarap. Pangarapin mo na ng pangarapin. Magka-hope ka sa sarili mo. Kasi ikaw din yan as in. Sariling set mo ng mga pangarap, okay, so. Abutin mo, maniwala ka sa sarili mo. Okay, so. Getting the dream life that you want. Ano ba ang mga pangarap mo sa buhay? Isa-isahin mo. Madami ba? Or iisa lamang? Panghawakan mo and don't let go. Never let this go. Okay. Use the power of words. Okay, alright, so. Yes, okay, so. Pour your heart through it. Use your mind, be the best that you could ever be. Okay. I hope na inspired ka na ngayon. Motivated and also determined. Okay, alright, so. Pangarap mo ba maging isang writer, artist, or musician, or iba pa? Dream life, pangarap na tutupad, totoo. Paniwalaan mo, truth, okay, so. Pangarap mo ba na magtrabaho sa opisina, matanggap sa kumpanya, makatapos sa college, university, o maging sa pag-aaral mo, okay. Hold it in your hand and don't let go. Getting the dream life that you want. Ask for it, pray to God, na ibigay na sa'yo ang lahat ng kailangan na gawin. Para matupad mo na ang mga mithiin mo sa buhay. Maliwanag, okay, so. Malapit na ako maka 200 videos. 200. Malapit na ako maka 200 videos. Libangan lang ba ito o isang pangarap lamang? Natutupad, just hope for it. Just like I do, getting the dream life that you want. Wish and wish, look at the stars. So bright, nagliliwanag. Parang apoy, nag-aalab. Tumitindi, nag-aapoy. Okay, so. What else? Okay, so. Getting the dream life that you want. Daydreaming all the time. But it's not just a dream. Just not yet, okay, O-Star. Okay, so fall down on me. Make a wish and hold on to it. Getting the dream life that all you've wanted. Because all you've wanted is to reach that dream. Isang araw matutupad, balang araw. Maniwala ka, hindi pa huli ang lahat para sa'yo. Totoo, okay, so. Ano pa ba, reach that dream, umangat ka. Sa sarili mo, go up that staircase. Yes, you can, okay, so. Getting the dream life that you want, seryoso. If you've reached your goals, that's what you get. Yes, pursue it, hope for it. Be serious about it, but also do have fun, take breaks, and do rest for a minimum amount of time. Okay, okay. Are we okay? Okay. Like, comment, subscribe. Speak up, dear.